Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the Mane Choice POW Collection wash day review. Stay tuned to this video. I'm going to be washing with the shampoo, deep conditioning with the deep conditioner, and then styling with the gel. So stay tuned to see my full wash day. I'm working on dry hair, and when you see me apply the shampoo, that's pre-pooed hair with Nature's Little Secret. So first we're going to start out with the shampoo. I'm going to apply that after I rinse out this pre-poo. As you guys can see, I have a pre-poo in my hair, so I'm going to rinse this out and then I'm going to apply the shampoo. Overall thoughts, I love the smell of the shampoo, and it wasn't bad, but it wasn't blowing me away. And one thing that I didn't like, as you guys will see here, I'm using shampoo the first time and then I'm gonna have to go in again, unfortunately. One thing I'm going to add to this is the shampoo, although I had to use 2 takes of it, it was very moisturizing. Very, very moisturizing. I have a problem running my hands through my hair. It had slip. It was pretty good. I wanted to tangle with it, but it's pretty good. It's not like stripping your hair or anything, so you'll be okay with that one if you try this. So next up is the hair mask. You guys, this was probably the least impressive out of all of them. I hated this mask. This mask did nothing for my hair. It literally, if it wasn't for my QREDEW hair steamer, this mask would have just sat on top of my hair. Like, it feels weird. It's like it absorbs. It doesn't have a white cast, but it doesn't feel like it's actually penetrating your strands, at least my strands. And as you guys see, I'm going to go in and I'm going to split my hair into another quadrant to get all the deep conditioner in there. And even though I did that, I feel my hair wasn't feeling up to par. It looks like it's up to par, but I'm not feeling it. And the real truth is, guys, in comparison to some other deep conditioners, this was not it. You could save a coin on this one. So guys, I'm not sure about this collection so far, but we're going to get into some ASMR. We're going to rinse out this deep conditioner, and this is my favorite part of my routine. It was very relaxing. I used the QREDEW steamer, and it penetrated my hair more, so my hair felt soft after rinsing this out. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the ASMR clip in here, but we're going to section my hair off into 4 quadrants and we're going to apply the leave-in. So the leave-in is the next step, so stay tuned to hear my thoughts about that. Okay guys, so this is the last step of the routine. It's the Mane Choice POW leave-in. It's priced at $15.99, and actually guys, I did not like this product at all. It made my hair poofy. It didn't moisturize it. Yeah, I would not recommend this leave-in at all. Overall, this Mane Choice collection, I would not recommend it. I think that a lot of women so far haven't really liked it that much from on YouTube, from what I've seen. So yeah, just be very cautious if you go and purchase this collection. Not saying it won't work for your hair, but just be leery, guys. Just be leery. You've seen how it reacts with my hair. Yes, I have definition. Yes, I have a little bit of shine, but is it actually moisturizing my hair? So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to basically, get ready to do the curl formers. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.